Yes, good morning. So as of now, it's 11 a.m. here in my province. So this is province, and obviously I am in a barrio or barangay. So as you can see, there are a lot of crimes that are also uh, that reverberates in barangays. So for example, in this province or uh, lalawigan, so uh, we can have uh, sales. So in under uh, civil code or land title deeds, we have cases of illegal sale of land here. So it was the it was the accused and the plaintiff. So plaintiff is the one who sues, is the one who was aggravated in the uh, case. So in that case, the land was sold according to the story. The woman was from Lebanon, and accordingly she was a lawyer in Lebanon. So uh, then she go home here in the province in the Philippines. Then she bought land, but sadly the land was sold by certain farmer who was not authorized to sold the land. So the lawyer, but not in the Philippines, in Lebanon. So I don't I don't know what is the law. Maybe it's just a Sharia law, because it's Lebanon is a Muslim country, right? So then anyway, this just give them a chance. She was a lawyer, then she sought the help of the National Bureau of Investigation or the NBI. So the land was decided to be placed in the case of National Bureau of Investigation or NBI. Then the land, the close sale of the land was made open, or it was reopened. So it was not a closed sale anymore. It was an open sale. So then, according to them, the said land will be uh, will be the said land will be resolved or whatever it is. That the lawyer probably can get back their money, and the land will sold by the owner. Oh, and uh, the agent who sold it will be uh, in uh, in hot water for selling that is owner. Oh, so that's it. So the seller will be in hot water. He can be either charged with estafa or swindling. That's it. Thank you. God bless. Good day. So even this is a province, there are still a lot of crimes here. Thank you. Ha? Din, nagkilaw sila?
Kilaw ka na, nagsugba kami doon.
Uy. Uy.
Ni mama mo na. No?
Oh.
Ako dila.
O to di, kay bunso na.
Patasay mo sa sugba patalon.
Oh.
Nahulog mo na. Nasa ba?
Oh.
Patasa. Nahulog mo na.
Di klaro.
Ha? Hindi ba? Napakita ka na ganin ni Joey.
Oh.
Ang video daw? Hindi ka katulog.
Balay.
Hindi mo lang mga.
Isa ako.
Kapit ka sementerya?
Hmm.
Sementeryo? Hindi ka sementeryo? Terpatra?
Uy. Good morning. Nagkilaw?
Karo pa.